So this is a skid row, skid plate, transmission skid plate with a cat guard. Installation was pretty straightforward. I actually installed the guards first, and then they wouldn't clear this cross member here. So I had to remove these two carriage bolts and then push it up and then install the bolts again. But then other than that, it's a totally straightforward installation. I got the some Cobalt 3/8 inch drill bit from Lowe's and went right through that, no problem. Yeah, my son's Prius cats got stolen from here. This is Southern California, and I was all paranoid about it because there's two on this Tundra. It's a 2006 Tundra 2-wheel drive, and Skid Row is the only company that actually makes a guard for the first generation Tundra. And I want to keep this truck. It's got 200,000 miles on it, and last thing I need are the cats to get stolen and have the insurance company total it out. But there's the install. There's the carriage bolts. So they would have to remove, it's not a 2.5 minute job anymore for this. They'd probably have to steal the truck. Anyway, thanks to Skid Row and the crew over there for supporting the first generation Tundras with this product.